Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So this song was sung by Govinda Das. Govinda Dasa Abhilasare. What is his desire? Abhilas means desire. Bhaja Hure Mana Sri Nanda Nandana. My dear mind, because mind is our friend and enemy. If you train the mind, then mind is your best friend. And if you cannot train your mind, then it is your bitterest enemy. Savai mana Krishna padaravinda. Therefore, mind has always to be engaged on the lotus feet of Krishna. Then mind automatically will be controlled and will become friend. So Govinda Das is expressing his desire. My dear mind, you just be engaged in devotional service of Nandananda. He does not say Krishna. He says Nandananda. Vaja Hure Mana Sri Nanda Nandana. If we address Krishna directly, that is not very pleasing. But if we say Krishna, Nandanandan, Jasodanandan, Devakinandan, Parthasarathi, in relationship with his devotee, then he becomes more pleased. So Bhaja Hure Mana Sri Nandanandan. Why Sri Nandanandan? Now Abhaya Charanara Bindare. If you take shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, Nandanandan, then you will have no more anxiety, fear. Samasita ji padapallavam plavam mahat padang punna jaso murari bhavam buddhi vassa padang parang padang 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 jad vipadang natisha. This is Bhagavad Bharsa. Padang padang jad vipadang. This material world, padang padang, means step by step there is danger. So one who takes shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, mahat padang punna jaso murare, samasita, for him there is no more danger. Abhaya charanara binda. And how it is possible to take complete shelter of Krishna, which is fearlessness, no anxiety, Vaikuntha. Durlava manava janama satsanga. This is possible if you associate with devotees. If you think that now I have become very much advanced, now I shall live alone and chant Hare Krishna, imitating Haridas Thakur. This is nonsense. It is, you cannot imitate Haridas Thakur. You have to associate with devotees. Durlava manava janama satsanga. Satang prasangatmava bija sangvida. If you remain with the devotees, then by their association, by talking with them, you will get real understanding of God consciousness. It is very practical to understand, just like in material world there are many associations, societies. Businessmen, they have got their stock exchange association. Those who are dealing in exchange, they have got an association. They go there and their business facility is very good. Similarly, so many clubs, If you want to drink and enjoy sense, go to so many clubs and associate with them, and you learn how to drink, how to make very nicely. So association is very important thing. Therefore, our Krishna Consciousness Society, we are giving chance people to associate with us so that he will be able to understand what is Krishna, what is Krishna consciousness. Therefore Govinda Das recommends, Durlabha Manava Janama Satsange. Manava, this human life is Durlabha, very rarely obtained. Not dog's association, crow's association, but swan's association. Their association even by nature. Birds of the same feather flock together. Crows, they will mix with crows, and the swans will mix with swan. White swan in very nice water, nice garden, they like that. The crows will not like that. The crows will lie where filthy things are thrown away. They will take pleasure there. So similarly, according to the quality of nature, there are different associations in human society. Therefore it is recommended that Durlabha Manava Janama Satsange, not with the crows, but with the swans. You give the swan milk and water, it will take the milk portion and give it up, the water portion. Similarly, a swan, Hansa, Paramahansa means, in this human form of life, one who takes the spiritual portion of life and rejects the material portion of life, he is called Hansa, Paramahansa. We are mixed. Our body is material, but I am spirit soul. So, we have to know the techniques, how to get out of this material bondage. It will come out from this material body, but when it comes out, then it will vanquish the material body. Very good example. The fire, there is, in the wood there is fire, everyone knows. So you ignite fire, and if you make it dry, then the fire takes place very quickly, and when it is blazing fire, then the wood becomes vanquished. There is no more existence of the wood. Similarly, if you can invoke your spiritual consciousness, Krishna consciousness, when it will be very nicely going on, then your material existence will be finished. This is the process. Durlabha manava janama satsange taraha ebhavo sindhure. In this way, just get on the other side of this ocean of nescience. Then one may say that if I associate with the Krishna consciousness movement, then how my family affairs will go on? Will look after my wife and children, society, friendship, love, I have got so many business. Therefore he says, the sitoya tapa bata varishana edina jamini jagire. My dear mind, you are working so hard, sito atapa, in severe cold, you are going to work. In scorching heat, you are going to work. Torrents of rain, you cannot stop your work. Sito atapa bata barisha. Night duty, whole night working. People are doing that. Sita yatapa bata barishana edina jamini jagire. Whole day work, again I will get some more money, I'll let you work at night also, extra. In this way, we are working. Why you are working? Why you are working? Sita yatapa bata barishana edina jamini jagire bifale sevinu kripana durajana chapala sukhalabo lagi. In this way, I have wasted my time, bifale sevinu. to serve Kripana Durajana. Some so-called society friendship and love, Kripana, they will never be engaged in Krishna consciousness, but I am engaged in their service. So, this is general, not that every family, mostly 99.9. So, be less heavy. In this way I am wasting my time. And what is the pleasure? Chopala sukhalava lagile, few minutes sex, that's all. Behind this sex, so many labor. Therefore, Govinda Das says that you are trying to enjoy wealth, edhana jauvana putra parijana. Material happiness means to acquire money, dhana. And then jana, many adherents or dependents, wife, children, friends, society, so many things, country. So, putra parijana, ithe ki ache parotitire. You cannot have any transcendental bliss in this. Kamala jaladala jivana talama. The life is tottering. You cannot say when the life will be finished. The example is given, Kamala jaladala. Just like lotus leaf, if you put water on the leaf, it will not stay. It will be tilting. At any moment it slips. Similarly, our life is like that, tilting. At any moment, finished. Kamala jaladala jivana bhaja haripada nitiri. Therefore, engage yourself in Krishna consciousness as much as you can finish before the death comes. That is your wish. And what is Krishna consciousness? Savana kirtana, smarana bandhana, pada sivana, pujana sakhijana, atma nivedana. The 9 kinds of devotional service. Govinda daso bhilasare. So everyone should desire like Govinda Das, Savana Kirtana. These are the devotional process. Hearing, chanting, remembering, archan, worshipping the deity, bandhan, offering prayer. There are 9 kinds. So human life is meant for this purpose, and by this process, gradually, we ignite the fire of Krishna consciousness or spiritual consciousness, and then by that fire, as by blazing fire, the wood itself becomes burnt into ashes. So all our covering, the spirit soul is covered by matter, by ignorance. So this covering and ignorance will be burnt into ashes, and you will become free and go back to home, back to God. This is the purpose of this song. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,